Hi, welcome to our first ever video lesson for about Python and the Visual Basics, Visual Studio Code. But as of the moment, what we're going to do is just a initial lesson about these tools that we will be using in our class. Okay, but for now, what I'm gonna do is I will teach you first how to update your record and your account in SciGram Portfolio.online. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are here, we need to sign in. Okay, so I'm already signed in as admin, but I have to log out. Let me just log out first and then sign in as a student. Okay, so here, so I'm on a student view. So again, this is the dashboard, and as you can see here, I have here my profile, which is my account. If you hover over your mouse, hover over means like this, and then you click my account here, click that my account, and then you can see update information here. So you click update information, okay, and then you click you can change the email here as well as your phone number and even your password. But again, don't forget your password, because those are very, very important in order for you to access the data here, your account. And of course, you can also put your address even if it's not really complete. But the most important is that I want you to do is you have to click choose file, because I want you to update your profile photo or image so that I could recognize you during the class. Okay, so you click that one, and then you go to where the folder of the picture you have the image or your image or your photo is located. Then after that, you click update, and you can see that the picture or the image is already updated and changed. Okay, so that's very, very important, and I want you to make sure that you update your account. And just like I said, in order for me to see your face and recognize you immediately. Okay, so much for this. I already made some tutorials or some lessons about how to use or navigate and explore the academic, and I did that already. So I believe you just keep on watching those things, and you will have a great chance to really understand how to navigate and explore the entire system. So what I'm going to discuss to you right now is, since we are in IT programming, I actually asked you to download and install in your PC or in your computer the so-called Python program. Okay, so you go to python.org. That is the official website where you can find Python. Okay, so and then if you're using Windows, all you have to do is just click hover over your mouse here on downloads button, and then click this Python 3.12.4. Once you click that, automatically it will be downloaded. And actually, I already downloaded this one. Okay, so let me just download it again. As you can see, it's there. And then once it's done, you open the file, and then it actually start to ask you to install it. In my case, the reason why you can see modify or repair and uninstall, it's because I already installed my Python. But on your case, you can see they're installed, so you just have to to install this program on your PC. Okay, so I don't need to install it on my own, but you just have to install it on your PC. Okay, all right. And the next thing that you have to have in your PC or in your machine is the VS Code, which is very, very important. You just type in VS Code here and then click this part, Visual Studio Code. This is owned by Microsoft. So this is the IDE that we will be needing. Okay, this is the integrated development environment wherein you, as a programmer or as a student of IT programming, you need this in order for you to write all your codes, so that Python can read that and can understand the instruction that we want the Python to do. Okay, so if you are a Windows user, of course you click this, but always remember your device is on Windows 10 or 11 at least, the version of Windows. Now if you are a Mac user, make sure that your OS is Mac OS 10.15 plus or in up. Okay, beyond that, you might somehow explore this and then look for the previous version, which is not the latest. Okay, now if you're using Linux, you just choose this as long as you are using the Debian or the Ubuntu programming version. But as I checked, only few people using Linux, so it's either Windows or Mac. So I am expecting that you have that. You download it and then install it on your PC. I already downloaded this and installed it on my PC. So basically all you have to do is just wait for it, and then once it's okay, you just open it. And then since I already have this, I don't need this anymore, but however I can walk you through on how to do it. So just click I accept the agreement, next, just next, and install. I already installed this one, so I don't need to install it. All you have to do is just click install and it's gonna be okay. Okay, all right, so that's all for this video lesson, and I hope that you got it. If you didn't, all you have to do is just rewatch the video. Okay, bye bye.